Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, TheRumpledOne, coming to you on Wednesday, May the 31st. The year is 2023. Let's talk trading. Trading with Walmal. These videos are for educational purposes only. Your results may differ from mine and different from Walmal's. Walmal, we've been having fun with the pound in in what we call the Walmal. Let's call it the Walmal pad between 60 and 70.
Sorry about that, guys. It came out of nowhere. Yeah, it's funny because, for the last hour or two, those lines at 60, actually 60, 65, 70, and 75 have been interesting lines to trade. We claim to be statistical traders, we claim to be line traders, and, it's, you put the two of them together and you get a tight range like that of about 15 pips or so. You can make some money. So I've made core for the day, and I know Kiro, you've made some money as well. Yeah, you just take the trades as they come along, and the nice thing about it is that when you get into a range like this, if it runs against you, it can't run too far away.
No, it usually doesn't run too far away, and I had called out. Well, wasn't there there was that gap up that hadn't been filled, and then it finally got filled right above 60. What was it, 66? Yeah, 2366.6.
Yeah, and which is the point being though is that you can go and you can take lots of little trades. Don't be looking to get 20 pips or so, and you'll do just fine. as the reference goes, the water's nice and warm.
Yeah, because we've been Walmal and we've been talking about making big pips for I don't know how long. Has it been years now?
Yeah, it has been.
Because there's some other traders out there that they're sitting in the trade maybe for 5-6 hours, if not a day or more. Whereas we're if we're in a trade for more than 5 minutes, it's not a normal occurrence.
Yeah, we got an outside bar on the previous M1 candle, and but we still have we're under indicator 2, and we're coming out of a flip-flop box. So it's and we've got
top of the hour.
Yep, exactly. So it'll be interesting to see what pans out here. My short would be at 62.9, and my long would be at 66.2. So we'll see what happens.
Long at 66.2?
Yeah, 66.2.
Is that on a flip-flop?
Yep.
Wow, your chart's a lot different. Mine's at 64.5, the flip-flop.
Wow. Yeah, my previous candle 1, the high of it was at 66.2.
Oh, okay.
But the thing is, going short here, I'd already said that its 60 line's been pretty strong, so I don't know if I'd want to go short here, just because of previous history here. It just likes to turn around at that point. So if you are going to go short here, you're going to go short for very, very little. I went short. We'll see what happens. I got in at 63.2. And we'll just watch and see what happens here. Now, TRO's broker, unfortunately, he's got a spread of probably about 1.5 or more, whereas my spread right now is 0.2. So
yeah, because your commission plus Walmal's commission plus spread on the account he's trading right now, and I'm on a spread account. Because I think most traders, comment. Let us know. Are you paying commission plus spread or just spread? I'd like to know what the traders out there, what kind of brokers they're using.
There we go. And I'm seriously considering getting out at this point. We'll see what this candle does.
Okay, this would be the third red in a row on my chart.
Fourth on my chart. There we go. Finally, some movement. There we go. And I'm out. And I picked up 1.7 on that. Not a big move, but hey. Oh, look at that. Glad I got out where I got out.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we've got a state change and a new flip-flop box. This would be my preferred direction to go long here because we'd be pulling away from that 60, but I got to wait for a signal to occur. New flip-flop box on this candle. And I got a state change, got an outside bar. Under indicator 2, my new long would be at 64.1.
Wow, mine's at 63.6.
Wow. The short would be at 61 even, but I'm not going to take the short because I'm afraid of that 60 line. The thing is, if it breaks it, you know, it's going to pile down. So that's the thing. If it breaks 60, it's probably going to go down to around 48 or so. That would be the next place it would likely stop at. So could be a good trade to take the 60 break. But the problem is, just looking over the last couple of hours, every time it gets there, it bounces off of it.
Right now on the fib retrace, we should probably get to somewhere between 65 and 67 and see what happens here for the long.
Oh, okay. I got in at 63.2.
And that's a one ball.
Yeah. Okay, I got a gap down, filled. Okay, I'm out with 2.1. Okay, so now we got a new flip-flop box, state change, and we're above indicator 2, but only by a point below it. I'm not going to take the flip-flop box to the south again because of the 60 line. These outside bars have been very profitable over the last couple of weeks.
Well, remember, contrary to what you would think, the outside bars usually produce a better trade statistically than the inside bar, but gut feel, you'd think you'd want the inside bar.
Yep. Okay, on the long, I got in at 65.2. There we go. I'm going to stick this one a little bit longer.
let's see, 67 is the 50% retrace, and 68.7 is the 60. No, I'm sorry, 67 is the 50%, 68 is the what, 61 retrace. We got a 1 ball. I think we need to turn that 1 ball into a 2 ball.
Yeah, I got out at 2.7. This thing's probably going to go up to 70, fluctuate a little bit around there, and then I would think it's going to get up to like 73, 74. And if our pattern holds true, it's going to turn around up there someplace. So now I'm in a kind of a holding pattern because I'm not going to take this south at this point.
Well, actually, we got that bar that shot up, the return bar.
Yeah.
Now, maybe not. It's only 4 pips.
Yeah. It just says bigger than all of its brothers and sisters around them.
Yeah.
This current bar was a gap down.
I didn't have a gap on mine. In fact, the previous bar was a gap up. That filled. Okay, so let's see if we can maybe hit the 70 now. At least 68.
State change. Above indicated 2, but I did not get a flip flop. So right now, this is the boring part of trading because I'm going to sit here and wait for at least the close of this candle before anything could possibly happen.
The boring part.
Yeah, well, it is. You're just sitting there watching it go up and down, and you can't do anything.
Right.
Find yourself a 30-second video to watch. Keep you out of trouble.
Or just sit on your hands, one of the two.
Yeah, problem is I'm a squirrel, so I want to do it. Okay, we got an outside bar. This current bar is going to be an outside bar, so we're going to get another state change. We're also more than likely going to get a flip-flop box down to the bottom.
Yeah, and we've got we just filled that imbalance. You took the short?
Yep.
Okay, we got 2 minutes left in the video. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Or they might have to tune in to find out what happened on Walmal.
There we go. Come on, keep coming.
63.7 is the from off of that 3 ball up at the top. That would be the 70. No, what is that? 68. No, 70. What is that other retrace? I can't remember.
68.2.
No, we're already at 68.2. What's the next one?
I don't know what the next one is after that. 75, I think.
Let's see. It'd be 77 because it's 23. Yeah, so that would be the 77. Well, Walmal, looks like they're going to have to tune in tomorrow to find out how you did. So, fellow traders, hope you learned something. And once again, let us know what you're paying, if you're paying commission plus spread or spread only. So we know what tools you're using. And always remember and never forget, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. So go out there and drain the banks. This is the Rumpled One, over and out.